Hi, welcome back to Yawning Yogis. Tonight is our sixth and final session, and we're so happy that you're here. As you know, my name is Miss Kristen, and my daughter is also with us tonight.
Hi, my name's Ella.
And as we promised last week, we're going to do another fun Halloween sequence, but we're going to start by getting focused and sitting on our mat quietly and breathing. So here's our time. Close your eyes. Breathe in through your nose. And exhale through your mouth. Again, in through your nose. And out through your mouth. Very good. Let's do one quiet inhale. And exhale through your nose. Very good. Now we're going to start with a breathing exercise, but we're going to do our sunshine breathing, but starting from mountain pose. So let's root ourselves down. Our feet are placed firmly on the ground, and we're going to inhale. And as we inhale, we're going to bring our arms up above our head, and then exhale and bring our hands into heart center. So here we go. Inhale. Exhale. Now inhale. And we're going to exhale and bring our arms into eagle. So here we go. So we're going to cross our right arm under our left. And to complete the pose, we're going to get down like this and balance. Very good. Now we're going to come back into mountain. And we'll do it again on the other side. So let's inhale. Exhale. Inhale. We're going to exhale and get into eagle on the other side. Okay, excellent. Let's release that. Get back into mountain pose. And now we're going to warm up with our rainbow sun salutation. So again, I will go first, and you will follow along with Ella. So we'll go red, I root down.
Red, I root down.
Orange, I dance around.
Orange, I dance around.
Yellow, I shine bright.
Yellow, I shine bright.
Green, I do what's right.
Green, I do what's right.
Blue, I say what's true.
Blue, I say what's true.
Indigo, I see.
Indigo, I see.
Violet, I love all of me.
Violet, I love all of me.
Excellent. So let's do that again, a little bit faster. We're still warming up. So red, I root down.
Red, I root down.
Orange, I dance around.
Orange, I dance around.
Yellow, I shine bright.
Yellow, I shine bright.
Green, I do what's right.
Green, I do what's right.
Blue, I say what's true.
Blue, I say what's true.
Indigo, I see.
Indigo, I see.
Violet, I love all of me.
Violet, I love all of me.
Excellent. I say we do one more time. One more cycle. So here we go. Red, I root down.
Red, I root down.
Orange, I dance around.
Orange, I dance around.
Yellow, I shine bright.
Yellow, I shine bright.
Green, I do what's right.
Green, I do what's right.
Blue, I say what's true.
Blue, I say what's true.
Indigo, I see.
Indigo, I see.
Violet, I love all of me.
Violet, I love all of me.
Very good. So now we're going to start our Halloween sequence. So it's a dark and starry night. It's get into star. I'm looking up at all the stars in the sky. Oh, did we mention it's Halloween night? And out with the stars is a beautiful crescent moon. Let's get into crescent moon. Bend to the left. Inhale. And bend to the right. And to center. Let's release. Very good. So my friends and I were gathered around a warm campfire. Ooh, doesn't that feel nice and toasty, Ella? It does. Oh, and joining us tonight is Vampire. Get up into Vampire. So we're gonna go like this. And what do vampires say?
I shall drink your blood.
Let's all say that together. I shall drink your
blood.
blood. Very good. Let's do vampire on the other side. So you're up on your tippy toes. Your right hand's behind you. And you're out looking over your cape. And you say, I shall drink your blood.
I shall drink your blood.
Very good. And there, along with vampire, was of course zombie. So zombies stand with their hands out like this. And let's try and balance on our left foot, raising our right foot into the air. If you can't go that high, woo, you can put your foot down. Whatever's comfortable. But what do zombies say?
Brains.
Brains. Brains. All right, let's give zombie a try on the other leg. Planted firmly, arms out in front. Raise your left leg as high as you want. Brains. Brains. Very good. And in the flickering flames, we see the tall shadows of the trees. So let's get into tree. And we see their long limbs flickering on the ground in the shadows. Let's try and do tree on the other side. Plant your foot. Again, balance. You have to concentrate and focus on your breathing. The wind is blowing. Very good. So now, the wind begins to howl. What does the wind say? Howl! And the bugs begin to creep. So we're going to get into reverse table. So your hands are planted firmly behind you with your fingers facing your bottom. Your feet like this, hip width apart. You're going to raise your middle and try and make it as flat as you can. And remember, the bugs begin to creep. So see if you can walk back and forth like a creepy crawly. That's kind of hard, huh? Okay, so the bugs are creeping. Stand up. So we're looking to the left, and for this we're gonna get into lunge pose. So you can put your right knee back down behind you, your left knee like this, and you want to make sure that your foot is directly under your knee. We're going to come up into low lunge like this. We're going to look to the left. So balance and look to the left. Now, let's look to the right. So come back into this. We're kneeling. Take our right leg, put it out. And our left knee is planted. So let's put our arms up in low lunge. And we'll look to the right. And we hear all the sounds that you hear at night. What goes, Ella?
A cobra?
A cobra or a snake. Down on the ground, and a cobra. Very good. Let's get back onto our knees. And we'll be up high and kneeling position. And we hear, woo, woo. So we're gonna be owls. So put your hands here and we'll go, woo, woo. And we can even go down, go up, woo, 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 woo. Oh, and look, it's a black cat. Get into cat pose. Ready? Oh, and no Halloween party would be complete without a werewolf. Let's get into downward dog. Here we are. What do werewolves say, Ella? Oh, that feels so good, that stretch. And let's walk our hands slowly up to our feet. And slowly come up to standing. Oh, and we see over there, among the trees, ghosts. And ghosts say, boo! Boo! Let's try that on the other side. Ready? Boo! Boo! And then finally, we're gonna get into monster pose. So put your feet out wide and you're gonna turn your toes out like this and get down into a low squat. And put your hands up like this and be a monster. Monsters go, "Arr! Arr! Arr!" Very good. And let's stand back up. And then, oh, look in the sky. Do you see the witches flying by? So let's get into Warrior 2 and pretend to be witches flying through the air. Very good. Let's do that on the other side. And we're in Warrior 2. Oh, good. All of our friends are here now. So it's time to dance.
The Monster Mash?
The Monster Mash.
Suddenly, to my surprise, he did the Monster Mash. It was a graveyard smash. It caught on in a flash. He did the Monster Mash. From our laboratory in the castle east to the master bedroom.
Oh, now, how much fun was that? Now let's get ready and get into our tent. Arms are out. We're going to put our right hand down, our left hand up. Whew. Let's try that on the other side. So, oh, star pose. And we go down and up. Let's get into our tent. Oh, maybe some rocking and rolling. Okay. And let's get into our sleeping bags. Grab our breathing buddies and lay down flat with our breathing buddies resting on our belly. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. We'll use this time to think about all the amazing things our body can do. We'll think about our strong legs and feet that keep us rooted and standing tall. Think about our brains and how they help us solve problems and do our schoolwork. We'll think about our hands that allow us to help others and to feed ourselves. We're thinking, thank you. Expressing gratitude for the amazing things our body can do. awesome and a lot of fun. And this is the end of our session, as I said, but that doesn't mean you should stop practicing yoga. You can use these videos over and over again if you would like, or you can create your own practice, quite a few poses. So we really hope that you will continue taking care of yourself and breathing. So let's say our yoga word with our hands in our heart center. Namaste.
Namaste.
We'll be back with a story. Our book tonight is Little Goblins 10, and this was written by Pamela Jane, and the pictures were drawn by Jane Manning. So Little Goblins 10. Over in the forest, where the trees hid the sun, lived a big mommy monster and her little monster one. Scare, said the mommy. I scare, said the one. So he scared and he scampered where the trees hid the sun. Over in the forest where spooks shout boo, lived a pale daddy ghost and his little ghosties too. 1, 2. Haunt, cried the daddy. We haunt, cried the two. So they hid and they haunted where spooks shout boo. Over in the forest, near a gnarled oak tree, lived an old mother zombie and her little zombies 3. 1, 2, 3. Stare, said the mommy. We stare, said the 3. So they stared all together near the gnarled oak tree. Over in the forest, where the fierce winds roar, lived a gray father werewolf and his little wolves 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Howl, said the father. We howl, said the 4. So they howled and they growled where the fierce winds roar. Can I hear your howl? Very good. Over in the forest where the shadows come alive, lived an old mother mummy and her little mummies 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Moan, said the mother. We moan, said the 5. So they moaned and they groaned where the shadows come alive. Over in the forest, in a hovel made of sticks, lived an old mother witch and her little witches 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Cackle, shrieked the mother. We cackle, screeched the 6. So they crowed and they cackled in the hovel made of sticks. Over in the forest, in a mossy green heaven, lived a scaly father dragon and his little dragon 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Breathe, said the father. We breathe, said the 7. So they breathed flames of fire in the mossy green heaven. Over in the forest, by the graveyard gate, lived a bony father skeleton and his little skellies 8. Rattle, said the father. We rattle, said the 8. So they rattled and they ran by the graveyard gate. Over in the forest, near a tall, dark pine, lived a furry mother bat and her little batties 9. "Swoop!" cried the mother. "We swoop!" cried the 9. So they swooped in the shadows near the tall, dark pine. And there are 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Over in the forest, in the deep green glen, lived an old father goblin and his little goblins 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. "Leap," said the father. "We leap," said the 10. So they laughed and they leaped in the deep green glen. Over in the forest, where the trees hid the sun, the big mommy called to her little monster 1. He looks like he's getting ready for a trick-or-treating. "Trick or treat?" asked the mommy. "Treat!" cried the 1. So they skipped off together for some Halloween fun. Look, there they all are. And that is the end of our book. So happy Halloween. Bye for now.